something is seriously off with me. Something is really, really wrong with me because I am completely out of my routine. I don't know what to do. Things are shit. And it's been a while since I felt like me. Constantly like agitated. I've been constantly in a state of stress. My cortisol is like anga irukku. எங்கேயோ போயிடுச்சு my cortisol. All these months I tried my best to like manage my cortisol levels, keep it down, have a stress-free life, and guess where that led me to? More shit, more shit, more shit. Like இன்னைக்கு நான் நிறைய விஷயம் பண்ணணும்னு நினைச்சேன், and most importantly I wanted to dye my hair but I didn't. Like I even got the dye, like I got the dye, but I'm not dying because I am dying inside my heart. I think I'm dead. I'm not dying because I'm dead. I don't know. So for the people that don't know, I have a lot of gray hair. Like, I don't know if you can see, but that's like a lot, okay? I don't like to spend, what, 1,000 grand, 2 grand, 3 grands, grand on hair color from a salon. So I just go spend my munurwa and get hair dye or hair color, and it's from Roller Paris. But if I don't have money, I'd probably go buy the Garnier one, which is like I think 200 ruwa. But when I do have the money, I'll get the L'Oreal one. So I'll put that in my hair. That's what I wanted to do today, but I don't know. Today's just not today. And this whole vlog is going to be for 2 days because I'm just going to show you my complete transformation. I'm going to be pulling my life together, and you're going to be here with me. And if you're watching this video, I want you to pull yourself together also. So probably play this video on the background and watch it while you fold clothes, put your laundry, wash the dishes, or do something productive when you're watching this vlog. And that's my only intention. I want you to be better. நீங்க உருப்படணும், நானும் உருப்படணும். It's not just me who's uruptifying. See this mess? Can you see this damn mess? I didn't make it. It just happened and I had to clean it. But I also have my office room, which is like a mess right now. I somehow cleaned this place, but it's dirty as well. But this is how it looks. This is how the entire place looks. And it's my protein shake dabba that I haven't washed for 2 days. I know. Trust me, I know. I'm going to put this right into the sink right this moment. And I'm going to wash it. Yeah, we gotta clean this mess up. The mess right here. I gotta sleep tonight, so we gotta clean it. Clothes all around. Like, I don't know why. I'm trying my best to like stay minimal. I'm trying my best to like, not be very consumeristic. I don't know if that's a word. I want to not buy clothes, but I think I'm a hoarder. I think I'm a serious hoarder, guys, because I don't want to buy clothes. I don't want to let go of clothes, but I want to buy clothes. But I don't know, cries and clothes. இவ்வளோ துணியை நான் இந்த ஒரு ரூமில் வைக்கணும், and I have more துணி and I constantly keep on purchasing more clothes, which is an addiction. It's like a serious addiction. I don't know. I gotta fix my addiction. Okay, so we're done, almost done, and this is how it is. I gotta change the pillow covers. which I will. And I thought I would add some things to my nightstand, like probably like moisturizer or lip gloss or something like that, so that I can quickly do a little skincare routine before I sleep. So that I can do that to both of my nightstand, put some essentials in, and almost done with that. That's my snack. But yeah, I'm so proud I can do this now. I gotta finish a couple more cleaning, like over here, and then I'll probably go take a shower because I'm stinking. But yeah, that's all I'm gonna do today. And tomorrow we're gonna be dyeing or coloring my hair, and then we're gonna go to a cafe, probably, hopefully. So let's see. I don't need to look good for that. I don't necessarily like. Okay, took a shower and then it's raining and I'm just gonna do my skincare because I've been neglecting myself this whole 2 weeks. It's raining heavily outside. Also, I'm very productive when it rains, so it's the best time to start to get back to my routine. And in anything, like if I'm really stressed in general, I stop taking care of myself. And to reduce the stress, I gotta do all these things in my routine. If I don't do it for one day, it's like domino effect, Madri. I just don't keep doing it at all. And then one fine day, everything will go to shit, and then I'll start doing it. And I'm just gonna go and sleep. I'm done for the day. And bed is ready and waiting for me, which I cleaned by myself today, which I'm really, really proud of. So, நம்ம நாளைக்கு பார்க்கலாம். Tomorrow morning, I hopefully wake up early and hopefully go to the gym. I don't know, but let's see. Okay, bye. சக்கரை தான் வேணும். சக்கரை இருந்தால் கரெக்டாக இருக்கும். Doesn't work, and now I'm gonna dye my hair. I don't know if you're ready for this. It's going to be a messy process. I have white hair or gray hair or whatever you can call, only in the front part of my mandai. ரொம்பலாம் இல்லை, கொஞ்சம் தான் இருக்குது. பட் அந்த கொந்தத்தை ஒழுங்காக அடிக்கணும். ஸோ வாங்க அதை பண்ணலாம். gonna show you what is inside my dye box. ஓகே, இருக்கிறதே கஷ்டமாக இருக்குது. ஓ ஃபக். சரி, ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஒரு பேம்ப்ளெட் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. திஸ் இஸ் த டெவலப்பர். திஸ் இஸ் த பேம்ப்ளெட். இதில் இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன்ஸ் இருக்கும், க்ளவுஸ் இருக்கும், கண்டிஷ்னர் இருக்கும். ஐ நோ, ஏன்னா இதை நான் நிறைய வாட்டி பண்ணிட்டேன். ஓ, ஷாம்பூவும் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. கேன் யூ see? It's like a shampoo as well. ஸோ பேசிக்கலி இதுலேருந்து தான் அந்த பிளாக் கலர் வரும். ஒரு டைம் யூஸ் க்ளவுஸ் சொன்னால. கண்டிஷ்னர், இதுதான் கண்டிஷ்னர். அண்ட் இது வந்து ஹேர் மாஸ்க். சாரி, இது இஸ் ஹேர் மாஸ்க். கொஞ்சம் அப்டேட் பண்ணிட்டோன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஸோ இதுல எல்லா இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன்ஸும் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, நீட்டாக கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ நீங்கள் ஈஸியாக ஃபாலோ பண்ணி பண்ணலாம், நான் சொல்லணும்னு அவசியமே இல்லை. ஜஸ்ட் கோ கெட் L'Oreal எக்ஸலன்ஸ் க்ரெம். இது ஸ்பான்சர்லாம் இல்லை, நானும் அவ்வளோ பெரிய ஆள் இல்லை, பட் வாங்கி பாருங்க எப்படி இருக்குன்னு தெரியும். வெரி டார்க்கர், ஸோ ஐ switched on the light. Let's mix the colors. இதை மிக்ஸ் பண்ணலாம். ஆனால் இது எப்படி ஃபுல்லாக மிக்ஸ் பண்ணணுமா? இல்லையே. இன்னும் ஏன்னா இதை நான் நிறைய வாட்டி பண்ணிட்டேன். Let's just divide this by 2 and this by 2 and use it and see how it works. I'm gonna be a little bit. So before we start dyeing, I generally just comb my hair once so that I don't have any sick. So I'm just gonna like comb my hair right now. Let's do that. Before starting to color my hair throughout, I generally take Vaseline and I apply it in my forehead and my ears. And then I remove any jewelry because it might cause stain. Let's put the Vaseline in. I know I look funny, but You gotta do what you gotta do, I think. You gotta look a little bit ugly when you're doing all this so that you can look pretty later on. If you do this step, you wouldn't like be staying for a week straight. So, and make sure you apply it on top of your ears also, because your ears get stained a lot. Basically, put it all over your face except for your eyes and your T-zone area. Let's start the procedure. இதை வந்து ஒரு கொண்ட மாதிரி போட்டு clip பண்ணிடலாம். That's it. Hihi. Now we wait for around 30 minutes and then we'll be done. Also look at my hands. This is how it stains, and it would have probably stained my face also right now, but yes, I've applied Vaseline. I can easily wipe this off. Look, it'll just come off with like some 3 to 4 swipes, but my hands do get stained a lot. It gets stained, bro. It gets stained a lot. You see? And always remember this. If you're planning to dye your hair, make sure you get dark brown or any other shade in brown, because உங்களுக்கு வெள்ளை முடி இருக்கு, நான் டை பண்ணணும், ஆனால் நான் யங்கராக தெரியணும்னா நீங்கள் டார்க் ப்ரௌன் இல்லைன்னா டார்க்கஸ்ட் ப்ரௌன் or get in the shades of brown rather than black, because it's gonna make you look younger. Usually the old people, they will look more old because they choose the shade black thinking that black அடிச்சா கிரேஸ் எல்லாம் கவர் ஆயிடும் சொல்லிட்டு black அடிக்காதீங்க. brown அடிச்சா it will make the whites look way better than it actually is. Like let it sit for like 30 minutes. I'm gonna do some work, so let's get back. And I plan today I'll take an everything shower, meaning I will shave my hands and legs also today. I know, பெரிய commitment, பெரிய commitment, and it's gonna be hectic. Yes, I know. I'm just gonna challenge myself, because tomorrow is Sunday. I don't want to do all this on the Sunday. So yeah, it's already evening, and I'm just gonna take a rest. I'm just gonna like glow up today so that I can go out tomorrow. Okay, I think I've kept it for 30 minutes and it's done. I'm gonna take a shower right now. It's been some while. I've been like setting up the office. Yesterday I cleaned it up completely. The reason why I have a separate office space is because I am a bed magnet. So wherever there's a bed, I just go and fall asleep. So that's why I started having a separate office space, so that I can like differentiate between my living area and my working area, if that makes sense. But over the period of time, I started getting lazy and I shifted my office kind of setup to my bedroom, which is clearly not been working out for me, because I haven't been productive. As you can see, my upload schedule is all over the place. So I decided I really wanted to like get back to this space. This zen vibe that I've created over here is just amazing when it comes to working. And ever since I started to have this office, I've always like cut down. I've always been a minimalist throughout the process. And the first time I moved into this office, it was all full of things. Like the entire counter was filled with things. Like, I'm not even kidding, that was the truth. Over the period of time, I've somehow like reduced the amount of things that I have on the counter, and I'm liking to have a lot of white space wherever I live and reside. I've come to this place where I really want to like enjoy the white space, the gray area. I'm just gonna like set it up the way I want, because I realize I have a lot of things in my office which I am not really proud of. I have like a ton of books which I don't even read, so I'm probably gonna filter it through and see what I like, see what I don't like. And we're supposed to be making cabinets for all these empty spaces. I've just been like procrastinating on the whole thing, because I don't know what kind of cabinets I want in this space. I've been decorating this space a little bit, like a couple of gallery pictures, like the artwork that I've done so far, and a little bit of knickknacks from here and there where I travel, and some gifts for my friends. And I've also like created like a pantry station, because I'm a tea person, I'm a coffee person, I'm a drink person overall. And I have like a bunch of plants that was over here, which I cleaned out yesterday. So I'm just gonna like put it back in a very nice manner, which is not very cluttery, because before it was very cluttered. and I didn't even know what to do with the space. So I'm just gonna like space out the plants and make it look a bit nice, I guess.